Our better definition of validity suggests another way of proving that an argument is invalid. And it works in this way. Well, and we'll call it kind of the parallel method of proving, or the parallel argument method of proving invalidity. That is, first you have to determine the logical form or pattern of the argument or inference. Then what you have to do is construct another argument having the same logical form or pattern of argument or inference. And this argument that you can construct that's of the same pattern has all true premises and a false conclusion. Or alternatively, you can describe a situation where this parallel argument, which might be clear, it's possible there's a possible situation in which all the premises are true and the conclusion is false. So that way you will be able, by having a parallel argument, an argument or an inference that uses the same sort of rules of logic. If you know the rules of logic, that the patterns following in one case are bad rules, you know that this one is bad also. And this is just the definition that's suggested by our example. Now let's turn to our example and see if it works. We said, is the following argument valid? Legum is a father, therefore Legum is a male. Well, it looks like the same invalid pattern of argument as we had in the Clifford example, right? Clifford is a dog, therefore Clifford is a mammal. P, therefore Q, if it's a sentential or propositional form. If the argument is a categorical or predicate logic argument, it's the form on the left. X is an A, therefore X is a B. Those are invalid patterns. We can show they're invalid. I'll give you the first one. Let's take the propositional form. The first, P, therefore Q. I am taking logic, therefore I am the President of the United States. Well, that doesn't follow. That the one sentence, there's no connection to the other one, or X is an A. I am a human being, therefore, I am a robot. True premise, false conclusion in that. So we see how we can use this method that's derived from this definition, this method of proving invalidity that's derived from our new definition of validity. Remember the definition being that any argument of the same pattern of inference has to be such that an argument is valid. It's impossible that there's an argument that's of the same pattern which has true premises and a false conclusion.